In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how even a healthy person develops type 2 diabetes. You want to watch this, even if you're healthy right now. Every time you eat, your food is converted into glucose, which is your blood sugar, and then your glucose is absorbed into the bloodstream. And from there, it moves all throughout the body and is absorbed into every single cell and organ. This entire process from your food all the way through to your cells is how your entire body gets not only energy, but also nutrients. And a hormone called insulin plays a very important role. Insulin is the key that allows glucose to be absorbed into the cells. So when insulin isn't working properly, that means that the cells are struggling to absorb glucose. And if the cells are struggling to get glucose, that means that the cells are struggling to get energy and nutrients. Now let's talk about how this happens. Every time you eat, your body is supposed to release insulin. Insulin goes up, unlocks all the cells and allows the glucose to be used. When the glucose is all gone, insulin is supposed to come back down. And then you eat again and it goes up and then it comes back down. Insulin needs 3 to 4 hours to come back down. But instead of this, for the past 40 to 50 years, we have been told to eat and snack all day long. More like this, maybe you wake up and have breakfast, and then you have a mid-morning snack, and then maybe you have lunch, a mid-afternoon snack, dinner, and even a nighttime snack. Your insulin level never has a chance to come back down. It stays elevated all day, every day. And eventually, over a long period of time of this happening, the insulin stops trying to come back down. It gets stuck, chronically elevated, even when you stop eating. And this chronically high level of insulin begins to overwhelm the cells. And when the cells become overwhelmed by insulin, they stop responding to it. And if they're not responding to insulin, insulin is the key that allows them to absorb the glucose. And if they're not going to get glucose, that means that they're struggling to get energy and nutrients. And this is known as insulin resistance. And now not only is your body struggling to get energy and nutrients, but now your glucose has nowhere to go. Every time you eat, your glucose is flooding the bloodstream, but the bloodstream can't get rid of it because it's not being absorbed. So what happens over time? Your blood sugar goes up and up and up until eventually it leads to type 2 diabetes. And especially if you're eating a lot of carbs, this whole thing gets even worse. Everyone needs to understand this, because so many of us today do this and have no idea that this leads to type 2 diabetes. And this is why type 2 diabetes is skyrocketing today. Now this is all preventable. Check out my page, watch my other videos on insulin resistance, fibre and fasting.